Okay then guys, it's been a long time coming, but I'm about to do my first print, I think. So, we are printing the good old Lamborghini emblem. So, then we're gonna get a decal of the Lamborghini badge. Once it's printed, then we're gonna paint this. Once it's printed, if this goes well. This is my first print, so I downloaded this free model. I've preheated the printer, so it's ready to go. Not sure. But it's exported. I'm just waiting for resume. I'm waiting for Cura 4 to install. Available on this site. So try to sign in to this site. Okay, so I have to sign in. I'll be back in a minute. I honestly cannot wait to get proper internet, man. Okay, I don't know if I'm doing this right, so I put the SD card in with the Lamborghini emblem and file in the SD card, so it's doing something, so I'm assuming I'm doing it right. But again, I'm not sure. Okay, so the good thing is that the nozzle of the 3D printer, so that gold tip right there is the nozzle. So let's melt the plastic, the filament, sorry, which is basically plastic, but oh well. It's melted it, so I will need to cut that end off before I can put it back in. So, I'm not too sure if I'm doing this right, you guys. I'm just experimenting just now, but I've lost a tool that would allow me to cut the filament at a steep angle. Where are you? I'm so sorry about my voice today, guys. I am absolutely getting cooked by dust. Yeah, if you don't know, I'm allergic to dust. Yeah. I'm gonna get a pair of scissors. Guys, I'm so glad that we're finally getting close to 3D printing something. I just need to figure out this next part. Once we do that, then we can 3D print something, like I said. Scissors, 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 scissors. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, we go. So, the Lamborghini emblem, I'm thinking about putting on my fridge. Like, right there, not a product placement for Bush, or Bush, whatever way you pronounce it. I was just showing you where I'm putting the emblem. Or I could put it on my door, just above my name. I don't know. But yeah, back to time-lapse mode, I guess. Okay guys, so I really don't know what to do with the 3D printer. I mean, it was doing something as you saw in the time lapse, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'll need to figure out the rest of it. But guys, that's the end of today's video. Hopefully soon I will be able to do my first print properly. So guys, I'll see you in the next one.